All right, so I'm Scott Brown with PRINOTH, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to attach these. Today we're using a lamb track, but they all come with an international coupler. Just as you quick attach your bucket to your skid steer, have the same thing here. You lock the arms in place, you'll unlock these. There's a hole in the bottom for that pin to go in. You lock it in. And then to connect the belts, if you walk around here, not the belt, but the hoses. So you'll notice that there's two size hoses, or three. There's a large hose, a small, and a in between. The large hose is your return. The next large hose is your feed, and then your small hose is your case drain. And you can see those here in the different sizes. So we have a inch and a quarter, an inch, and a 3/4 inch hose. So the one in the front is your pressure in, the one in the back is your return, and your middle one is your case drain.